As the 2026 West Bengal Assembly elections heat up, the industrial heartland of Asansol Dakshin emerges as one of the state's most intensely watched constituencies, a place where economic aspirations, shifting political loyalties, and the realities of a changing coal economy intersect. Delimited in 2008 and nestled in the Raniganj coal belt of Paschim Bardhaman, Asansol Dakshin is a predominantly urban assembly seat that reflects the aspirations and challenges of Bengal's industrial heartland. Asansol is a largely urban and semi-urban constituency with a diverse demographic. It has a significant scheduled caste population along with a notable minority presence. According to the latest electoral data, the constituency has over 2.84 lakh registered voters. Out of these, 21.37% belong to the scheduled caste, 7.20% to the scheduled tribe. According to the 2011 census data, Hindus form the majority of the population, claiming 75.18% of the populace, while the Muslim population stands at 21.26%. The election spirit runs high in the constituency, with the 2021 assembly elections recording a voter turnout of 75.35%. Once a quiet railway town, Asansol grew rapidly with the expansion of coal mining and heavy industries. Today, it stands as a major commercial and industrial hub of West Bengal, reflecting both the opportunities and challenges of India's coal belt. The constituency has quickly become a political barometer for Western Bengal, where issues of jobs, industrial revival, and governance take center stage. For over a decade, Asansol Dakshin remained a Trinamool Congress stronghold. TMC's Tapas Banerjee won comfortably in both 2011 and 2016. The 2021 polls marked a significant shift when BJP's Agnimitra Paul narrowly defeated TMC's Sayani Ghosh by around 4,500 votes, securing the seat for the party for the first time and signalling changing winds in the industrial belt. This breakthrough occurred amid notable political realignments in the broader Asansol region, including high-profile shifts such as former BJP MP Babul Supriyo joining the Trinamool Congress. In 2026, the contest is once again head-to-head. Sitting BJP MLA Agnimitra Paul is seeking re-election, hoping for history to rewrite itself. Opposite her, from the TMC, stands Tapas Banerjee, the two-time MLA who fell short in leaving his mark in 2021 and hopes to come back to his former glory. A fashion designer turned politician with strong local roots, Agnimitra Paul is at the center of the BJP's efforts in this key industrial constituency. Known for her energetic campaigning style and focus on women's issues, development and industrial revival, Agnimitra Paul is leaving no stone unturned to win the trust of Asansol's voters. The battle promises to be fiercely competitive, reflecting the larger trends across West Bengal. To gauge the people's pulse better in this high-voltage battle, Team NewsX headed to Asansol.
Hello, you are watching NewsX and we are now in Asansol area with the BJP candidate Agnimitra Paul on the road stop for the NewsX.
The election fervour is palpable in Asansol with less than a month left for the elections. Campaigning is in full swing and the streets are buzzing with political energy.
In this area, is it a necessary part? The local are telling us, and now the BJP candidate Agnimitra Paul is doing a rally in this area, and also this key points of this area, which was BJP commitment for this area, is circulating by the supporters, and also the BJP candidate is interacting with the local people asking about the situation, present situation, asking about their problems, and committing some issue that BJP was planning for the future 5 year. Next 5 year planning is giving the commitment.
इक्कीस राज्य में हमारा सरकार चल रहा है।
हम लोग का इधर लाली रास्ता पानी नहीं रहा भी नहीं है। विश्वास करें
अभी तो ममता था ना अभी तक नहीं, ममता को नहीं हटाएंगे नहीं होगा।
कुछ नहीं है।
अभी तक ममता चल रहा है, आपको समझना है। अभी तक ममता चल रहा है, अभी तक टीएमसी चल रहा है, सरकार चला रहे नहीं, आपको समझना है। सरकार चला रहे टीएमसी, आसनसोल म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन चला रहे टीएमसी, पंचायत चला रहे टीएमसी। हमको अगर मन भी होगा विधायक का नाते कि आपको घर मिले, हम नहीं दे सकते, हमारा क्षमता नहीं है। हमारा इच्छा है आपको घर घर पानी मिले, हमारा क्षमता नहीं है। जब तक आप ममता को हटाएंगे नहीं और मोदी को बैठाएंगे नहीं, तब तक आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। इस इलेक्शन में अगर मोदी जीते तो आपको हर महिला को घर मिलेगा, घर के साथ बाथरूम और पानी का कनेक्शन। अगर फिर से ममता जीत गए तो ऐसे ही रहेंगे, ना काम, नौकरी, ना घर, ना पानी।
नौकरी भी नहीं है, ना घर, ना पैखाना, कुछ नहीं है।
15 साल हो गया, 15 साल।
आज से नहीं दे रहे मोदी को, सब दिन हम देते रह गए हैं।
सरकार बनाना है, मोदी को लेकर के सरकार बनाना है।
मोदी पैसा भेज रहा है कॉर्पोरेशन में, ये लोग दे नहीं रहा।
उतना मत समझाओ। अग्निमित्रा पाल को जिताएंगे, बांकुड़ा में जिताना है भाजपा, वर्धमान में जिताना है भाजपा, सिलीगुड़ी में जिताना है, हर जगह भाजपा को जिताना है तो सरकार बनेगा।
एक चांस हम लोग आप लोग को देंगे।
एक चांस देकर देखिए, 5 साल नहीं काम करते हम लोग को भगा दीजिए, लेकिन एक चांस मोदी जी को दीजिए। हाथ जोड़
अबरी बार हम दे रहे हैं चांस, ठीक है।
सारे लोगों को बोलिए, ठीक है ना।
विश्वास कर लेंगे कि हाँ, जो बोले वो
हम घर की बेटी है।
Now, some local people are doing some complaint in the front of Agnimitra Paul. क्या problem बता रहे थे?
हम यही बता रहे थे ना, कल है हम लोग का, ना पैखाना है हम लोग का, ना ठीक से घर द्वार है, तो हम लोग रहेंगे कैसे? खाली वोट दे दे रहे हैं, जीत जा रहे हैं लोग, आप लोग बढ़िया से रह रहे हैं, हम लोग ऐसे ही रह रहे हैं।
उनकी तरफ से क्या कहा? उनकी तरफ से क्या कहा?
हम लोग को यही कहना है कि हम लोग को बस बढ़िया से रहना चाहिए, सुखी से रहना चाहिए, और क्या कहेंगे। हम लोग को पैखाना नहीं है, कल नहीं है।
अग्निमित्र पॉल की तरफ से आप लोगों को क्या कहा गया? उनकी तरफ से क्या कहा गया आपको?
एक चांस हम लोग उनको देना चाह रहे हैं कि बनेगा लाली रास्ता तो हम लोग विश्वास कर लेंगे कि जो बीजेपी बोल के गया वो किया है। नहीं बनेगा तो हम लोग नहीं चांस दे सकते हैं। ये हमेशा सब कोई बोल के जाता है, हमको चांस दो, हमको चांस दो, बनने भी नहीं करता है। यहाँ वोट मिल जाता है, सब शांति से बैठ जाता है।
In this campaign, we have shown that the local people are doing some complaint in front of Agnimitra Paul. After that, Agnimitra Paul tell them to create a BJP government to do this job and do this road, and the water problem will be solved after the government is formed.
From bustling markets to residential colonies, the people of Asansol are engaged and opinionated. Development, jobs, and law and order remain the top issues being discussed.
On the road stop, we are with the BJP candidate Agnimitra Paul in Asansol. Now the Agnimitra Paul is start his campaign, and now Agnimitra Paul, the South Asansol candidate of BJP, is doing campaign on South Asansol area, and with the BJP supporters, and also with the BJP female supporters with her, and now she's visiting the area and also interact with the people, also interacting with the local businessman, and also the BJP supporters with her. And in today morning, BJP candidate Agnimitra Paul and his supporters doing campaign in this area. Last time, Agnimitra Paul won this seat in 2021. After that, after 5 years, now again the BJP candidate is Agnimitra Paul, and Agnimitra Paul is doing his campaign, and I'm interacting with Agnimitra Paul. Ma'am, it's your campaign today. What is the main key point you are sharing?
Job, job, and job. We want our children, our youth to get jobs. We want our women to get house with water and with bathroom. We are going to give that. Modi ji is going to give that. And we want security for the women of Bengal. There will be strict action. Whoever, creates atrocity on women. So these are the four main things.
Last 5 years, what you have done in this area?
From TMC side, no development. Not only in my assembly, entire Bengal. No job, no houses, no toilets, no water connection. So nothing. No development at all. Only corruption, sand mafia, coal mafia, land mafia, rampant in this area.
Do you think the women's safety is a main issue in this election?
Yes, of course. I being a woman, and if I have a women chief minister, and she says that there is a rate for rape victims, full rape this much, half rape this much, where do we go? She says after 8 p.m. no women should go out. I mean, what kind of a world are we living in? Is this the Taliban regime? I don't know. She thinks this is Paschim Bangladesh. And we are being ruled by Muslim fundamentalists. So it's horrendous.
Now, the BJP candidate Agnimitra Paul visiting a temple of this area. Agnimitra Paul and the BJP supporters are going into the temple to visit.
Following a day of intense campaigning, we caught up with the BJP candidate herself and spoke to her about the upcoming polls.
Local are complaining about the problems.
ECL, which is a central government PSU, are sticking notices of evacuation. Why all of a sudden before election? Why? This is a conspiracy between TMC leader and some of the corrupt officers of ECL. So that our vote bank, entire vote bank is Narendra Modi ji's. That is destroyed. So I told them today, I heard the notices were stuck yesterday. I came today. I told them that till I'm here, ECL needs to go on my dead body to touch your house. And I'm telling ECL on your face, if you think you can destroy my voters' house, I challenge you. Come and see it.
Agnimitra Paul openly challenged the ECL that he's claiming that ECL and some corrupt officers are trying to evacuate the people from this area, from this ECL give a notice in this area to evacuate this area and also try to destroy the BJP vote that Agnimitra Paul is claiming now. Now, in this roadstop, now I'm showing you the exact situation of Asansol area and also the campaign of BJP candidate Agnimitra Paul in this area.
Whether Agnimitra Paul and the BJP can script a victory in Asansol will be one of the biggest stories of the 2026 Bengal polls. For now, this was all from this episode of The Road Stop in West Bengal.